India has started its vaccination program for those who are above 60 years of age and those above 45 who suffer comorbidities. This is the second phase of the immunization program in India, a user guide for the citizen registration and appointment for vaccination, and a list of all the private hospitals and clinics that are part of these programs. This program has been uploaded on the website of the Ministry of Health and the National Health Authority as well. These can all be accessed online. So now let me quickly take you through the process roughly of registration. So citizens can register by logging on to www.cowin.gov.in, where they must enter their mobile number and enter the OTP they receive. Once the OTP is validated, the registration of vaccination page then appears. All the fields in this form that appears is mandatory to be filled. It includes details like photo ID proof under which various IDs are permitted. You must remember, however, to carry the particular ID you enter here to the vaccination center on the day. Other details include name, year of birth, gender, and comorbidities, if any. Then you click the register button at the bottom right. You're also allowed to add up to 3 more beneficiaries from the same mobile number that you register. You can do so by clicking on Add More button at the bottom right of the page. You fill all the details and then you click on the Add button. Next, you can schedule an appointment on the account details page by clicking on the calendar icon that is beside the beneficiary name. You will be taken to the Book Appointment for Vaccination page, where you can choose your center of choice by state, district, block, and pin code from the drop-down. Then you hit search to find vaccination centers at your desired location. The page will display the date available and the capacity. You can then book a slot, or you can click on the next week button to check availability for a later stage. Once the book button is clicked, the appointment confirmation page is then displayed. Then you must click the confirm button after checking all your details to save your booking. Next, an appointment confirmation with the message appointment successful will be displayed. You must download and save this page to show at the vaccination center on the scheduled date of booking. You can also reschedule an appointment even after it is fixed. For this, you have to re-log into the citizen registration module with your already registered mobile number. You enter the OTP that you receive on it, then you navigate to the account details page, you click on the calendar icon next to the beneficiary name once again, and repeat the same process as I described before. You can make a reappointment before the vaccination appointment date that you had first chosen, but not after. Now finally, once you're vaccinated for your first dose, you will be automatically scheduled for a second dose at the same center. In case you have moved in between, your appointment can be rescheduled for the closest center where you are now located.